Hey guys, it's your girl Oyin. Welcome back to Oyin's Diary. If you're new on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button below. You can also follow me on my social media handles at Oyin with 4 eyes _ on Instagram and on Twitter, Oyindamola Ibrahim on Facebook, at I am Posh on Snapchat. Today I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair. I am going to make a custom natural twist. I have a thick curly 4C natural hair type and this hair is almost 2 years old. All tips I'm going to give in this video can be applied to all types of hair. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to wash my hair. I already had my hair washed this morning and I made my hair into a loose flat twist to keep it from fizzing out. I need you guys to know that there are different categories of natural hair. We have the 1A, 1B, 1C. There is the 2A, 2B, 2C, 3A, 3B, 3C, 4A, 4B, 4C. So you all need to know the kind of natural hair you have in order to know how to maintain your natural hair. After losing my hair, picking out my hair and detangling it with my hands, I'm going to spray in some water. Add enough water until it is damp and massage the water into your hair. The water is going to keep my hair moisturized, but it is not necessary if you have just washed your hair. Now my hair is going to slowly shrink. That's the effect water has on natural 4C hair. In this video, I'm going to make use of the megagrowth break-free daily living strengthener. I love this particular one because it has a lot of oils in it that are useful and add nutrients to the natural hair. It has the avocado oils, the argan oil, the coconut oil, soya bean oil, vegetable protein, shea butter, and so much more. I hope you all can see it. The container is orange and the content itself is baby pink in color. The fragrance is so lovely. How I love to smell nice. I'm also going to make use of the edge control wax. This one right here is called air wax. The container itself comes in various colors. It could be green, yellow, or pink. So when you go out there and you're trying to get yours, don't get confused. It's all the same. I'm going to use a big comb, a small comb, and a cotton comb for this hair. I'm also going to use my hair cream, which is Treat 3. I love this particular cream because of the menthol it has in it. It gives me this chilly feels when I rub it on my scalp. It also contains shea butter, paraffin oil, and peppermint oil. The style I'm going to make today, as you already know, is the custom natural twist, which is my favorite. Now I'm going to brush my hair up lightly with my big comb and apply the leave-in conditioner. Massage it into my hair until it spreads evenly. I'm also going to apply the Treat hair cream. I'm applying these stuffs in order to moisturize my hair and prepare my hair for styling. So I have to keep it oiled up and moisturized to make it easier and to have a more detailed outcome. Yeah, the tip of my hair is a little bit brown. I had my hair tinted way back and I tried to dye it to black color. The dye was not evenly distributed, but I love the definition it adds to my hair. Yeah, the curly tips are a little bit brownish while the whole hair is black. Now I'm going to blow dry my hair. This will help melt the cream into the hair properly. It still has to be a little bit damp or dry enough to firmly grip it when it starts styling it. Now I'm going to cut my hair into big boxes and start twisting my hair. For each cut, I'm going to apply the conditioner and edge control wax to twist. I have to repeat the cut, apply, and twist process for the whole hair. This is to make sure the twist comes out well and my hand has to constantly remain oiled up to make the twisting process easier for me. If you're doing yours, you can cut your hair in any desired shape you want. You can have the box cut, you can have the rectangle cut, you can also have the triangle cut, or you can decide to use the semicircle cut depending on what you want. I have the short clip on my Instagram page where I use the triangular cut. You should watch that video as well to learn how to make custom natural twists. At this point, I'm going to start cutting my hair from the front because I want it to fall a little bit over my forehead. Let's give the hair a fringe look. Always remember to roll out the tips of your hair after each twist. This will give a more coily effect. Just do it and you see how your hair is going to curl up gradually by itself. Ta-da! All done. Yeah, you know what I mean. We're all done. My hair is ready. This took me approximately an hour 30 minutes to make. Now I'm going to spray my hair with water again. I'm going to apply more leave-in conditioner and more edge control wax. I'm so exhausted right now, but I'm going to lightly touch the edges. Finally, I'm going to blow dry my hair. Guess what, guys? This hair can be styled however you choose to style it. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share my video. Bye.